Hello students, welcome to our class. We have started lesson number 6, that is factors and multiples. Okay, so we know what is the definition of factor. We have discussed the number which divides given number exactly. The number which divides given number exactly is called factor of a given number. Okay, we know the definition of factor. So to find the factor of any number, what we do now, to find the factor of suppose 45. Okay, so we have to find the factor of the number 45. So how we will find? So given number is 45, and when we have to find the factor, just find the pair of numbers which product gives the number 45. Okay, we have to find the pair of numbers which gives the product 45. So you must have to remember the tables from up to 30. Okay, so to find the pair of numbers which gives the product 45, so we know 1 into 45 gives 45. Okay, 3 into 15 gives 45. Okay, so 5 into 9 gives 45. Okay, and there are no any numbers, okay, which gives the product 45. So these are only numbers which product gives the 45. So therefore we now see here, 1 into 45 gives 45. Now just check, when we divide 45 by 1, then what we will get? 145, remainder is 0. Means what? 1 divides 45 exactly. So by the definition of factor, what is the definition of factor? The number which divides given number exactly is called factor. Okay, so here see, 1 divides the given number, means 45 exactly means remainder is 0. Therefore we can say that 1 is the factor of 45. Okay, now let's see about the next number, that is 45. Now divide 45 by 45, what we will get? 45 ones are 45, remainder is 0. So here also 45 divides 45 exactly. Therefore by the definition of factor we can say that 45 is a factor of 45. Okay, now see the next number, that is 3. Now when we divide 45 by 3, then we know 3 ones are 3, remains 1, 5, and 3 5s are 15, gives remainder 0. So see here, 3 divides 45 exactly because remainder is 0. So here 3 divides 45 exactly. Then again by definition we can say that 3 is a factor of 45. So as like this, all these numbers means 15, 5, 9 exactly divides the given number 45. Therefore 1, 45, 3, 15, 5 and 9 are factors of given number 45. So whenever we have to find the factors of any number, okay, so just find the pair of numbers which product gives the given number. Okay, so here we have to find the factor of 45. So we find the pair of numbers which gives the product 45. So we got the numbers are 1, 45, 3, 15, 5 and 9. So these all numbers divides 45 exactly, therefore 1, 45, 3, 15, 5 and 9 are factors of 45. Okay, so to find the factor of any number, do in this way and find the factors. Okay, now there is next definition, that is multiple. So what is the definition of multiples? The multiple of number, the multiple of any number is the product obtained by multiplying given number by same number or any other number. Okay, so whenever we have to find the multiple of any number, which number we will have give, whenever we have to find the multiple of given number. So what is the multiple of number? Is the product obtained by multiplying given number by same number or any number. Means we have to multiply given number by itself or any other number, and the obtained product are the multiples of given number. Okay, so see the examples. Whenever suppose we have example that find the multiples of 5. Okay, so we have to find the multiples of the 5. So see here, given number is 5, and we have to find the multiples of this number. So what is definition? Multiple of the number is nothing but the product obtained by multiplying given number. Means we have to multiply given number by the same number. Same number means we have to multiply 5 by 5 or any other number. Means we have to multiply 5 by any other number. So we multiply 5 by 0 also, we can multiply 5 by 1 also, we can multiply 5 by 2, 5 by 3, 5 by 4 and so on. Okay, so what is the definition of multiple? Multiple means we have to find the multiple of any number. Means what? We have to multiply that number by itself or any other number. Okay, so here I have multiplied 5 by itself, so we get 25. Okay, also we have here I have multiplied 5 by 0, so 5 into 0 gives 0, 5 into 1 gives 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 4 20. If you want to find other multiples, then you can find. Okay, so here the product, so see, this is the product. 25 is the product obtained by multiplying given number 5 by itself, 5. Okay, so we can write 25 is a multiple of 5. 25 is a multiple of 5. Okay, now here also see, here the 0 is the product obtained by multiplying 5 by 0. Okay, so multiplying 5 by 0, so 0 is a multiple of 5. So 0 is a multiple of 5. As like this 5, the obtained products, these are on the right side, there are obtained products. Okay, so 0, 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on, 25 also and so on are multiples of the given number 5. So when you to find the multiples of given number, just multiply that number by itself or any other number. Okay, now we will solve the activity number 1. Before that, I wanted to tell you that suppose we have from this list I take one expression, that is 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Okay, so in above example we have said that 15 is a multiple of 5. Okay, 15 is a multiple of 5 because when we multiply 5 by 3 we get 15. But we can also say that 15 is a multiple of 3. 15 is a multiple of 3 because see, when we multiply 5 by 3 we got product 15, or we multiply 3 by 5 we got product 15. So 3 and 5. Okay, so 15 is a multiple of 5 also, and 15 is a multiple of 3 also. So in this from this we can also say that 5 is a multiple of 5 also and 1 also. 10 is a multiple of 5 and 2. 15 is a multiple of 5 and 3. 20 is a multiple of 5 and 4. Okay, so here we can, by if we have any multiplicative statement, then we can say that 15 is a multiple of 5 and 15 is a multiple of 3 also. Okay, and by previous discussion we can say that 5 is a factor of 15 and 3 is also a factor of 15. So just remember that whenever we have any multiplicative statement, then this RHS, okay, means product, the product is a multiple of these two numbers, and or we can say that these two numbers 5 and 3 are the factors of this number. Okay, so in both way you must have to understand, whenever we have any multiplicative statement, okay, then the product, that is RHS, is a multiple of these two numbers. Okay, and the two numbers means 5 and 3 are the factors of this. Okay, so just remember that. Now we will solve the activity number 1. In activity number 1 there is a first question. So question number 1 is fill in the blanks, and in that sub question A is, if 5 into 7 is equal to 35, so 5 and 7 are dot 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 of 35. So I have discussed in before that. So whenever we have any multiplicative statement, then what we write, 5 and 7, these two numbers are factors of 35, and why we have written factors, because 5 and 7 divides 35 exactly. By the definition of factors, see here, 5 divides 35 exactly and 7 also divides 35 exactly. So therefore 5 and 7 are factors of 35. Okay, now see sub question B. 11 into 8 is 88. So 88 is a dot 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 of 11 and 8. So again, by the previous discussion, see here 88 is obtained by multiplying 11 by 8 and also multiplying 8 by 11. So 88 is a multiple of 11 also and 8 also. Okay, so here the filling the blanks is multiple. Now question 2 is, in question number 2 there is sub question A. Write first 4 multiples of 9. Okay, so we know the definition of multiples, how we obtain the multiples of any number. So see here, given number is 9, and to find the multiple of 9 we multiply given number by itself or any other number, but here we have to find the first 4. So first 4 means what, we have to multiply 9 by 1, then 2, then 3, and then by 4. So then we got the first 4 multiples of 9. So see here, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So here 9, 18, 27, 36 are first 4 multiples of 9. Okay, now there is a sub question B. That sub question B is write all the multiples of 11 less than 100. So we have to find the multiples of 11. So given number is 11. Okay, so we have to multiply 11 so that up to the numbers less than 100. Okay, so we have to when we multiply 11 by 1, we got 11 into 2, 22, 11 into 3, 33. Okay, 11 into 4, 44, 11 into 5, 55, 11 into 6, 66, 11 into 7, 77, 11 into 8, 88, 11 into 9, 99. Okay, and 11 into 10 gives 110. But we have to find the multiples less than 100. So here we have got the multiples of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99 and 110. But we don't write 110 because 110 is greater than 100. So we have to write the multiples less than 100. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 multiples which are less than 100. So these are the multiples of 11 less than 100. Okay, now C sub question C is write the multiples of 4 between 30 and 6. Write the multiples of 4 between 30 and 60. So here given number is 4 and we have to find the multiples of 4 but started from 30 and ends up to 60. So we know the first multiple of 4 which gives the product greater than 30 is 8, because when we multiply 4 by 8 we get 32 and 32 is greater than 30. Okay, so we have to find the multiples between 30 and 60 though. So first multiple between 30 and 60 is 32. Okay, so first multiple between 30 and 60 is 32. Now find the another. Now multiply 4 by 9 gives 36, 4 by 10 gives 40, 4 by 11 gives 44, 4 by 12 gives 48, 4 by 13 gives 52, 4 by 14 gives 56, 4 by 15 gives 60. So see here, now we can't write another multiple, because when we write 4 into 16 it gives 64 and 64 is greater than 60 and we have to find the multiples between 30 and 60. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 multiples. 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56 and 60 are the multiples of 4 between 30 and 60. Okay, so this is the answer. Now see, the next question is list the first list the first 10 multiples of 3 and 4. See here, there are two numbers are given, 3 and 4, and we have to find the multiples of 3 also and 4 also, but we have to find first 10 multiples. Okay, now first we find the multiples of 3. First we find the multiples of 3. So now multiply 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we get 10 multiples, first 10 multiples of 3. Okay, and what are the multiples? Okay, so here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 are first 10 multiples of 3. So as like this you can find the multiples of 4. Now there is a question number 4, is that check whether, and in that the sub question 1 is check whether the 12 is a factor of 108. So whenever there is a question of this type, means whenever we have to check, then how to solve that type of question. So see here, we have to check the number 12 is factor of 108 or not. So for that you must have to know what is the definition of factor. So we know that the factor is the number which divides given number exactly. Means here we have to check that is 12 divides 108 exactly or not. So just check, divide 108 by 12, divide 108 by 12. Then see here, when we divide 108 by 12, we know the product 12 nines are gives 108. Okay, remainder is 0. So therefore 12 divides 108 exactly, because 12 nines are 108. So therefore we can write 12 divides, this given number 12 divides 108 exactly. And by the definition of factor, what we will write, 12 is a factor of 108. 12 is a factor of 108. So whenever there is this type of question, check whether, so whenever we have to check the number is a factor of another number or not, just check that the factor divides the given number exactly or not. So here we have checked is 12 divides 108 exactly or not. So here 12 divides 108 exactly, therefore 12 is a factor of 108. Now there is a sub question B, that check whether 234 is a multiple of 18. Okay, so check whether 234 is a multiple of 18. So whenever there is a question, so check whether the number is a multiple of another number or not. So here also just check that this multiple, that is 234, is divisible by another number or not. Here whenever we check about the factor, we just check is the number is divides given number exactly or not. And whenever we check about the multiple, then just check this multiple is divisible by another number or not. So now just divide 234 by 18. So 18 ones are 18, and remainder is 5, 4 remains, and 18 threes are 54, remainder is 0. So here 18 divides 234 exactly, or 234 is divisible by 18. 234 is divisible by 18. So we can write here 234 is divisible, or you can write exactly divisible by 18. Therefore 234 is a multiple of 18. Okay, so remember it well. Okay, so whenever check the multiple, just check this number is exactly divisible by another number or not. Okay, now there are two questions are remaining, so try yourself. Okay, thank you.